the noodles. In here, chopped cilantro you're going to want to add to, and your finished product. And how does that taste? Give it a try. And hey, thumbs up.
Now that you have seen part 1, let's move on to the side dish. Let's head inside and go to the kitchen. We'll see you there.
In our recipe, plant-based recipe today, we are doing cauliflower popcorn. Popcorn cauliflower. Cauliflower popcorn. Sounds good. Give it a try. Phosphatidylcholine, or choline for short. The many benefits of eating cauliflower is an improved immune system. So in COVID times, of course, we want to do everything we can to try to stay healthy. Also, it improves our memory. That's where the phosphatidylcholine comes in. And then also, it'll help lower your cholesterol. Alright, we'll keep this cauliflower popcorn recipe pretty simple, as you can see pictured there. And go ahead and set that oven, preheat it to 400 degrees before you begin. And go ahead and just take a 9x13 pan and then add some tin foil to the bottom, less scraping at the end for cleaning. I just added a cooking spray or baking release you can use also. Shout out to Kroger for the frozen cauliflower. You can certainly use fresh this time of year. Price wise, it's better for me to get the frozen. So you're gonna use sesame oil, and the recipe calls for 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. And then you're gonna use salt. It does call for a teaspoon. I didn't use a full teaspoon. And go ahead and put it in the oven. And just don't forget, you're going to want to set your oven to 400 degrees. You're going to take the cauliflower, let it bake for 20 minutes, flip them in another 20 minutes, and they'll come out hopefully looking like this. Thank you for watching video series number 2, and we have 2 more to go. The next one is a plant-based beverage, so stay tuned for that one to come. If you can see that popcorn and cauliflower. In the phosphatidylcholine cauliflower popcorn. Sounds good. Give it a try. Phosphatidylcholine.